JKey Vlogs is back, and today I'm going to be talking about my sponsorship with Fatal Grips and how I got it. This has been requested by a few people, so I thought I should address it. As always, this video is sponsored by Fatal Grips, so if you would like grips or gaming accessories of any kind, use the link in the description below. Don't forget to use code JKey at checkout for 10% off. Before we begin, smash the like button and subscribe so you don't miss another upload. Without further ado, let's get into it. So a few weeks ago, after uploading a video, I wondered if and when I could get a sponsor. This of course led to me looking for one, and I stumbled across Fatal Grips. After doing some research, I found out how to apply for one. If you would like me to make a video on that, please let me know. I put in all my channel stats, which are used to determine which level sponsorship you get. I waited around a day, and then an email showed up in my inbox, from none other than Fatal Grips. It read that I had been accepted into their sponsorship program and told me about all the benefits about the deal. At the bottom of the email, it asked me to respond to them with what I wanted my code to be. Of course, I responded with JKey. Use code JKey for 10% off, by the way. A few hours later, I received an email saying that my code had been accepted and was now working. Attached to this email was a branding kit, which they requested me to use on posts regarding them. They also said that earnings would be emailed to me and could be redeemed at £5. And that takes us to the present. I haven't had a payment yet, as I have not hit £5, but I will let you know as soon as I do, to make sure this whole thing is legit. Overall, from what I've experienced so far, this seems like a good way to get into sponsorship deals. Obviously, they may not accept you depending on your stats, but it's worth a go. If you have made it this far, you're a legend. I am on the road to 200 subs, so please consider subscribing. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up button as it helps the videos do well. That's all from me. You've been watching JKey Vlogs, and I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.